The pH scale. The pH scale, power hydrogen, was introduced by Sorensen in 1909 for expressing the hydrogen positive ion of a dilute solution. The pH of a solution is a number by which negative power of 10 has to be raised in order to express the hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. The pH scale is a continuous scale and the values of pH normally lie between 0 and 14. Pure water is weakly ionized at room temperature. Thus, pH of pure water or neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 7. The solution having pH less than 7 are acidic, while the solution having pH greater than 7 are basic. Application of the pH value helps to determine the nature of the solution. pH equals 7. Solution is neutral. pH is greater than 7. The solution is alkaline. pH is less than 7. Solution is acidic. Helps to compare the acidity of two solutions. In medicine, helps in formulating drugs as body enzymes act only at specific pH value. In agriculture, help to determine soil conditions as most crops need specific pH for enhanced growth.